The Rural Access and Mobility Project (RAMP) addresses the basic need of transporting goods and services in the rural areas. The project is supported by World Bank and French Development Agency. Aregbesola described modern practices of agriculture as a means of dealing with social and economic problems. He says if agriculture is developed, poverty, hunger, and unemployment will become a thing of the past. It discloses that its administration has attracted the attention and assistance of development partners in road infrastructure development in the states.
Indeed, this is partly responsible for the reverses and setbacks that we have experienced in terms of our socio-economic advancement as a people. In this respect, the important age-old business of agriculture has particularly been at it. This has culminated in the progressive decline in agricultural production, with dire consequences for our capacity to feed our rapidly increasing population.
Earlier, the special advisor to the governor on rural and community development, Mr. Kunle Ige, says the government is committed to improving lives in the rural areas. He lauded RAMP for facilitating the program.
Through the Osun Rural Access and Mobility Project and the support of the World Bank, signed a contract agreement for 6 road maintenance groups covering 61 kilometers.
According to the national coordinator RAMP, Engineer Ubanduma Ularamu, the project will help to alleviate suffering of the people in the rural areas.
It is our conviction that rural roads hold the key to the transformation of the rural communities. As such, strategic efforts must be geared towards ensuring that most states of the Federation understand this and embrace the RAMP approach to addressing challenges of poor rural transport infrastructure in the country.
From Osogbo, Abbas Okandeji, MITV News.